guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are in
Saratoga Spring, and what will you be doing, Dad?
Today we're doing something completely unusual. Karen and I decided to just find out information about Disney Vacation Club, DVC. I mean, there's nothing promising. We just need to find out information. We don't know much about it. I know that cast member also get maybe a discount or so. So that's an alternative that we're gonna be looking for. So today we're just gonna find out all the information that we need in order to make a decision for our family. We've been watching a lot of videos about DVC and reading a lot of DVC, so we're just trying to make the best decision for our family at this point.
And we have a special guest.
So we got our little niece over here, and we're super excited. We're not sure if we're allowed to record inside. So anyways, if we're not allowed, we'll give you our feedback as soon as we're out. And who knows, maybe after this we'll go for lunch somewhere here on property, either in the hotel or Disney Springs somewhere. Anyways, if you're brand new around here, hi, this is Cool Case Adventure. Welcome to our family. And our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Central Florida. With that said, are you guys ready?
Yes.
So what are we waiting on?
Let's go. Oh, wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat the
How pretty, Disney Vacation Club Preview Center. This is where we're heading. Once you make a reservation, because you got to do it online, they tell you where to go. So we've been asked to come here just to Saratoga Springs. So we're excited to see what they have to offer. What are you watching there, Carla?
The mirror.
Different Disney parks. So there's Magic Kingdom,
Tokyo Disneyland.
Shanghai Disneyland, Hong Kong. That's beautiful. Disneyland Paris. Yeah. So right now we're doing a tour in the 3-bedroom villas, and I just want to give you an example of what this looks like. This is one of the rooms upstairs. Look at this beauty. It looks amazing. They have their own bathroom in this bedroom over here. Wow. Look at that. It's amazing, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some washer and dryer. Look at the other room. It's very nice. So this is a 3-bedroom villa. This is the largest room that they offer in the properties here in Disney. So we're upstairs. We'll show you a little bit of downstairs. Now we're actually heading downstairs. Heading to the master bedroom downstairs. Just to give you an idea. It's unbelievable, guys. 3 bedrooms. Here's the master bathroom. Sorry that I'm moving quick enough, guys. Super quick, because we do have a whole tour to do. So it's awesome.
Yeah.
They even have a bathroom, another bathroom by the kitchen.
It's huge. And
Wow.
shower. There's like 4 or 5 showers.
So they have a 4 bathroom.
Yeah.
Wow, this actually can fit up to 12 people in here. Look at that. Look at that dining table, guys. The balcony. Again, we're in Saratoga Springs, so it's gonna change in the different resorts. All right, so we're here, and this one sleeps 4 people, right?
4 people.
Let me show you an example of what you'll be looking at. Master bedroom. The kids, they're not included with this tour. You're here right now, and what happened? Oh, wait a minute. So that will be the simulation of the balcony. But this is just, it gives you an idea of what you're gonna be looking at. Oh, there you go. You showed up again.
It's a double thing.
Balcony, yeah.
Yeah. Are these jets?
Yeah. Look at the tub,
I want to stay here so bad.
the bathroom. Nice. Wow. And this is, you say, is a regular studio?
This is the one bedroom.
The one
To the
bedroom.
right, you have your studio.
The studio. Do all of them come with kitchen?
Anything bigger than a studio does.
Anything bigger than a studio comes kitchen. I like that. It's very nice. And this over here will be the studio.
Yes.
Okay. So studio will be similar to almost some of the rooms that we find in the regular hotels.
Yes.
I'm assuming that's a pull-out bed too, right over here. And a queen size bed. Nice. So this is the studio. It will be the bathroom. So this will be the studio of what would it be in the Riviera. Showing you the bathroom real quick. Here, the kids again. But anyways, this is what it will be equivalent to the studio. This is simulating the studios in the Riviera. Right, and it sleep up to 5.
Yes. So you have a bed on the wall with that little handle. You can pull it down, and then you have an additional bed here.
Oh wow. Okay.
That's a bed?
Nice.
This is going to be your favorite.
Because it has Rapunzel. Oh, that's a bed. Yeah. So yeah. So up to 5. Wow. This will be equivalent to 1 bedroom. Oh, I like that. It's very spacious. A lot of space though. Wow.
Look, Kyla, there's another bed.
Wow, look at that bed and Mickey.
Yeah, look.
Very nice. So of course separated. 1 bedroom, but it's separated from out there, which I like. If I were to have a choice, that's how I would get it. So get the kids out there. And this is similar to what it would look like. Tub. And this will be the bathroom, which you connect here in the main hallway again. That's pretty cool, guys. Is DVC for everybody? I don't know, right? That's a good question. But anyway, if you want to find out our opinion before we tell you, make sure you hit that like button if you have shared any valuable content with you. And subscribe for more content like this one, because we love taking you around, right?
Yeah.
Disney Spring and everywhere. We love taking you around and making recommendations for you and your family. That may help in your next vacation. So what are you waiting on?
So subscribe.
Also share this video with all your families and friends. So don't forget, share this video, like it, subscribe. So we are out of our tour, so we decided to come to Disney Spring to have some lunch. So we're going to the Polite Pig. We haven't been here in a while. But anyways, let's try it again. And then we'll give you our thoughts of what happened when we went to the DVC tour. What are we thinking? What should we be doing? Did we take it or not? So we'll talk more about it later on. So if you've never been to the Polite Pig, this is the situation that you will be dealing with. So it smells delicious. And what they're doing right now is that you could QR code the menu, or you could get a sanitized menu, just like Karen got over there. I went with my brisket sandwich and some mac and cheese for the side. Kalel went with chicken tenders, right, Kalel?
Yeah.
And some waffle fries. And we got Kalani mac and cheese and waffle fries.
You know what I don't get?
Karen has, what you order, slider?
A slider trio, so it was part of the appetizer menu.
So what kind of meat is in it? Chicken,
Chicken, pork, and
brisket mix?
brisket.
Okay, and what Kyla got over there?
The brisket sandwich from the kids menu.
Kyla got a brisket sandwich from the menu. How is those fried, Kyla? Good. All right, so here we are, finally out of lunch.
Yes.
It was delicious.
Really good.
It came up to like $70.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit
Pricey.
Disney Springs
Yeah.
pricey. You know, I know that, but keep that in mind.
It's good.
DVC, how was it for you?
It's good. It's interesting. It's good to get the prices, and then I guess we really need to think about if it's something that would be worth for our family to do.
As you can tell per what Karen said, we didn't do it. We're thinking about it. We're gonna do some numbers. And this is one thing that you kind of have to consider. According to the prices and all that, you know, maybe for us might not be the best thing, at least at this time. We're here in Florida. We come here all the time. If you follow the video, you know that. So for us, I don't know if it's cost effective. That's what that narrows down to, if it's cost effective or not. So, I mean, it's a dream for sure.
It's nice.
I highly recommend you to come and listen to it and learn about it. But for us at this point, not yet. Hopefully in the future.
Maybe.
Yeah, so it was kind of cool. Now it's ironic that we're in this side when we were not too long ago over there. So, so it was kind of, it's ironic. But anyways, it was a cool experience. I love seeing the rooms and all that.
Oh my gosh.
And love being able to dream.
Yeah, some of those rooms are a dream.
Right. So hopefully we can make this dream come true one of these days. So anyways, we highly encourage you to try it and see if it's perfect for your family. All right, kids, you have fun looking at those rooms. Dream.
Yes.
It was a dream to look at them.
Yes.
What was your favorite part, Kyla?
Riviera.
The Riviera. You would love to stay in the Riviera.
Yes.
The alligator. We're not talking about that yet, but we're talking. How about you, DVC? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was also Riviera. It's one of our dreams hotels to stay in.
Yeah.
And what's really cool design is that one of the beds was passing out.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Now, food. How was your food for you guys?
It was really, really good, but if I go back, I'm gonna get some mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. How about you guys? Hello.
It was really good. I ordered chicken tenders, and they looked very, very small. But once you eat like the whole thing, it kind of fills me up.
That's good. That's a good thing. There you go, guys. There you have it. You have the whole family feedback in regards to DVC and Devil Life Pig. We hope we were able to.
Good.
You like your food?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So we hope that we were able to help you. Sadly, this adventure has ended. Sadly, this adventure has ended. And with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like and turn that bell notification.
DVC. And feel free to comment down below what you want to do.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome. Stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Oh yeah.